What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It is January 31st, 4:28 a.m. over on the cold, snow-covered East Coast. Taking a look here this morning, bright and early on a Monday morning at Tesla. Tesla is on the move. It is up currently $23.65, trading at $8.70 on the dot. Up 2.79%. Over here on Google Finance, taking a look at the pre-market pricing. Tesla is on the move to the upside. The NASDAQ futures up 100 points right now. Take a quick look over here at the CNN Fear and Greed Index. Looks like as of Friday, we closed at 38. Definitely in the fear, but really not that much fear going on in the market, according to this indicator, that is. Seeing this indicator down in the single digits, so just wanted to share it and kind of give you an idea of where this thing is sitting at. Like I said, I've seen it down in the single digits. All right, let's go take a look at the chart on TradingView. On the chart right now, you can see I have a green line right here. This green line represents just about where the Tesla stock is trading at pre-market at 4:30 in the morning on Monday, January 31st. Looks like we closed on Friday at 846.35, which is this dotted green line, 846.35. So definitely up in the green this morning. Couple things to mention here is looking for Tesla to trade above the 868 range today. If we trade above that 868 today, that gets us out of some more downside price action for Tesla. That'll show us, or tell us, I should say, that Tesla could be done for heading down, at least for the short term. If we can't trade above that 868 range, then we still think there's some either sideways or some more downside price action to come for Tesla. But right now, pre-market, we're trading above 868. We're trading at 871. So things are looking good right now. We could gap up above that price, and that would also give us that same confirmation that that low on Friday that found support at the 200-day is, at least for the short term, a nice bottom. But we will see. I'm keeping an eye on the 868 level for today. If we trade above that, that tells us that there is probably more upside for Tesla to follow. If we do not trade above 868 today at the cash open, then that tells us that there is potentially still more either sideways or downside price action to come for Tesla. Yes, we are trading above that right now, but doesn't really matter until the cash market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we had mentioned on Friday that we found support at the 200-day and we closed at the top of the range. We hit a low on Friday of 792.01. Wow. Crazy to think back that only, let's see, this month for Tesla, we were trading at above $1,000. Early this month, we were, looks like, let's see, the first trading day of the year, which was January 3rd, we hit a high of 1201.07. And just a month later, we are trading at just about 871. Incredible. But the Friday candle, which is basically sitting in between these two orange arrows here, was a nice support at the 200-day and closing in the upper range, closing that candle at 846.35. I had mentioned in that video that this is hard to ignore, that this looks very bullish. And so far, as of early this morning, pre-market, we are getting some more confirmation to the upside, which is good to see. And we still have some work to do on Tesla, we think. But at least for today, if we can get above 868, then that'll say that the downward momentum is probably over, at least for the short term. And we could expect to see Tesla start to inch higher or go sideways to higher. So that's just kind of my thoughts here on Tesla, looking at the market. Obviously, the market's been closed since Friday and not too much to talk about besides now we have a little bit of pre-market price action. We are trading in the green. Let's see where we're trading at right now. We are trading at 867.20, so we are pulling back a little bit. And I had mentioned that we need to trade above the 868 level at the cash open. So yes, we traded above it this morning, all the way up into the 870 range. But as you can tell, right now we're trading at 869. So we are pulling back from that 870 level, but we are above the 868, at least pre-market. Doesn't really matter until the cash market opens. So that's what we're watching for. Keep your eye on it. And we will see what today brings. The NASDAQ so far this morning is up the most. Futures were up about 100 points. Things are looking good. We will see. Will we get Friday confirmation to the upside today? Time will tell. Either way, for Tesla, we have a lot of work to do to the upside before we look to establish a long position. That's just the way we trade. For the short term, the 200-day support, that is a very nice sight to see. We are just about, actually we'll go up to the Friday's close. We're about 31% off the highs, so that is a very, very nice pullback. Very nice correction. Anybody looking to nibble at Tesla here, I understand why. 31% off the highs. Match that with finding support at the 200-day, and I could see why accumulating Tesla at these levels could be definitely in the cards. We are taking trading signals, and we have models we use, and they say we need a little bit more upside price confirmation before getting back into this thing. We like to buy strength, not weakness. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. Remember, we are keeping an eye on the 868 range today. If we can trade above that during the cash open, that says we can look at Tesla with more of a fresh start, and that will give us some more confirmation that perhaps the downward price action could be over for at least a short term, and then we could be trading sideways to up in the coming days or weeks. If we don't trade above that 868, that tells us that Tesla could be either trading sideways or trading down for the short term. So have a fantastic Monday. Be careful out there. The markets are still volatile. There's a little bit of fear, but not too much. And let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on Tesla. I appreciate all of my new subscribers and current subscribers. And it keeps me going here making these videos. All right, everybody. Have a great day. I will catch you guys later today. Take care.